I feel so freaking great. WowAfrican, hey, sent me a wig, so we're gonna be putting this on in the video. Okay, so WowAfrican was nice enough to send me a wig. So this is just the pamphlet, you know. I got some of the influencers that, you know, have tried their wigs on there. The front just has their little logo and the back just says want to be featured, want to earn money from us. So, you know, this is really cool. WowAfrican and a lot of other places, you know, that I think sell hair, a lot of hair places and a lot of like places like Fashion Nova do this, but you can be featured on their channels. So if you're an aspiring, you know, makeup artist, hairstylist, influencer, whatever, they give you the opportunity and the chance to, you know, start off your career. So want to be featured on our channels? It tells, there's 3 steps: post photos, photo requests, clearly half body from head to waist, so they only want like a headshot. Y'all, excuse me, I just ate a banana. They want like a headshot, and then post good hair reviews, at least 5 minutes if your hair is high quality, or if your video is high quality, it will be featured on their site. But don't just go on here and give them fake hair reviews and stuff, because that's not cute, sis. Keep that shit real. How to earn money from us. Join the WowAfrican affiliate program and make money online. You can earn 5% commission from each qualifying transaction that you refer to WowAfrican.com from your blog, website, email, or any offline marketing. WowAfrican.com is absolutely free to join, so it is all profit to you. Check out more details on our site. So yeah, just a free chance to go ahead and get some money, some coin there. Yeah. So in the box comes with 2 stocking caps. I like that they've been putting nude ones in here recently, because usually they put the black ones or the netted ones. This is their satin bag. This is their satin bag, and this is the wig I got. It is the item number WCS176 wig. The length is 12 inches, and the hair color is natural. So yeah, it looks like it's longer than 12 inches, just from looking in the bag. That was really easy to do. And I forget, I think I got body wave. So it does come with a band, and this is super cute, you guys. I didn't even realize that they even had bands in their stuff. But it says WowAfrican on it. That's so cute. I love that. Okay. So it comes with the hairnet on it. This is a body wave wig, you guys. Look at how, ooh, I cannot wait to put this on. And you guys, the lace looks like it's already, yep, it's already, the knots are already bleached. So I love that. It's super thick. And let me see what it smells like. The hair smells amazing. Oh my, WowAfrican always has really good smelling hair for some reason. Oh, and it comes with a band on the inside already. So there's 2 bands just in case you lose one. The lace goes all the way around. Super high quality. Like, I might glue this down in the back because it's so thick back here. This looks amazing. Yeah. So I'm definitely gonna try to install this today. I want to see what it looks like on. My hair is already fucked, so. Like, y'all, I might not even have to, I might do a glueless wig because this has the band in it. All I have to do is hook the clips. This is everything. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I'm gonna do a glueless wig with this one. They done messed up, y'all. Okay, let me take this off. Oop, 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 oop. And oop. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a glueless wig because they do have this strap. Let me see if I can get it tighter. Oh yeah, it's lit. It's very, very lit. Cause I'm braiding my hair down and I'm wearing this as a glueless wig. Like, y'all see how laid this is, and it's not even glued down. The only part that I'm gonna glue down is right here.
Literally just woke up and I was like, let me go ahead and do this voiceover because I want this video to be out today for y'all. So yeah, as you can see with this wig from WowAfrican, I'm just brushing the hair back. This is a 12-inch I want to say it's Brazilian body wave. I have to look at the box again. I'll definitely have all the details down below. But yeah, so this is really a nice wig. I like how it came. The hairline was already pre-plucked, the knots were already bleached, but I'm just going in and customizing it a little bit more. I've been really trying to perfect plucking the wigs, and it's a little harder than, you know, how everybody makes it seem, but as you can see right here, it looks pretty good. I feel like I'm getting better at making it look more natural. I worked that wetting the hair before you pluck it really helps with that. And yeah, just putting it back in a ponytail also helps. Just see that clear line. I said clear line, but straight line, I guess. But yeah, as you can see, when you pluck the hairline or anything like that, you're gonna take out a lot of hair. And if you don't have a lot of hair, by the time you're done, you probably didn't pluck enough. So even now, I took the hair down to see how I liked it. I didn't like it that much, so I'm going back in and I'm plucking it and just making my final touches. So don't be afraid to really get in there and pluck. Right now I'm just doing the baby hairs. The way I do my baby hairs on my wig is the same way I do it on my real hair. I just kind of wet my hair and I brush along my hairline, and whatever hairs pop out, that's the hairs I'm going to use. So same concept for the wig. We're using Got to Be Glued to lay the edges because this is a glueless wig and I don't want to have to worry about relaying the edges. Got to Be Glued just kind of holds it in place, and you can, you know, reapply it throughout the week if you need to, but you don't really have to because it holds it really well. So, and the edges are wet on this. I did wet them. So yeah, just taking my edge brush, I'm going to swoop my edges the way I want them. And the most important part about this, y'all, is like, you don't have to cut the hair before you start to lay the edges, if that makes sense. So don't even worry about cutting any of the extra hair off for the edges. Just lay the hairs that's right there, then cut off the excess hair if you need to. But this is just kind of a trick. And then you're gonna see after I'm done, you know, laying the edges and all of that, I'm gonna cut the lace. When I cut the lace, I cut around the edges instead of cutting underneath the edges or straight across the lace, if that makes any sense. But yeah, it's kind of important that you get your edges how you want them because they're kind of gonna be a guideline for when we're cutting the lace. Alright, y'all, so after you get your edges proper and how you want them, you're just gonna blow dry it a little bit. I took the hair down. I just wanted to see how it looked. I liked it. So I'm taking my T-pins out, and I always start cutting in the center. I'm using smaller scissors because I want a more accurate cut, and I feel like the smaller the scissors, the better, or the easier it is for me to get into smaller places. So yeah, and since I'm cutting around my edges, it just really helped a lot. So cutting around the edges just honestly makes the application look more realistic. You can't see the lace underneath your edges. It doesn't look all, I don't know, you could just see right now, like, it just looks more real, like a hairline. So it's just kind of like we cheated. I'm putting this wig cap on to try the wig on, but I didn't use it when I installed it because I didn't feel like cutting the band and all that. But alright, so this is one of the most important parts for the glueless wig method, is to have a wig band like the one I have. So if you don't have a strap like this on your wig, your lace is not going to lay flat. So see how my lace is just laying so flat? It's not because of the wig itself, it's because of that band. And the band that I have on that wig is adjustable, so you can adjust it if your head is a little bit bigger, you want it more loose, you could do that. If it's a little bit smaller, you could tighten it. I really just like the band in the fact that it lays the lace down so well. So I know I said this is a glueless method. The only part that we are going to glue down are the edges, so like those two flaps, that flap and then the other side, because it's kind of hard to you know, lay those parts down. And I want to say most people do still glue the edges down on their glueless wigs. And if they don't, I need to figure out their method, because I really want to go fully glueless. It just is so much easier, y'all. Even with this wig, even though I still have to glue the sides down, this wig takes me maybe 10 minutes to put on, if that.
What is good, y'all? I feel so freaking great. Like, the intro of this video, I felt crusty, dusty, poop on a stick. Now I feel like that girl. Like, y'all, this wig is everything, and it's a glueless wig. I don't have any of the lace glued down, just the baby hairs have some got to be glue gel on it, and I did glue the sides down just because I feel like it's necessary to glue these down. These are like the anchors. So the only thing glued down is this. My edges are laid, and then my lace, it's not glued down. I really love this wig. Like, it reminds me of my real hair. My real hair is exactly like this, y'all. Like, it's crazy. So once it gets to this length, I'll be excited. I really like this length. This is super cute. Definitely a wig. It's gonna be my go-to wig because it's not too long, not too short. Perfect texture. I just love it. And this makeup, everything, I'll save my story so you guys can watch it on my highlights. But that really concludes today's video. I had so much fun putting this wig on. I really love the glueless wig method, so I'm gonna try to start doing those more often because it just saves time, money, freaking aggravation, irritation, because y'all know how it is putting on a lace wig. So the only thing you got to do with this is just really pluck and, you know, style it and all that, which is still kind of tricky, but once you get into the swing of it, nope, it's not a problem. I'm gonna be uploading a new brow tutorial because I found a new brow method that I really like, and I'm just obsessed with everything. Glad that I got to do my face mask, take care of my skin, all of that. My nails are done. I got my feet done. All I really need to do is shave and clean off my bed, and then your girl is back in full swing. So this will be one of the videos that I am going to post this week. I love you so much, and thank you so much for rocking with me. You guys are the best. It's your girl Cheyenne Talia. We slayed today. I love you, Glizzy Gang. Thanks for rocking with me. Your girl is out.